OnePlus 11 5G is launching on February 7 in India. Alongside the OnePlus 11 5G, OnePlus is seemingly launching the OnePlus 11R 5G also in the country. Amazon India has pushed out a notification for the OnePlus 11R launch in India. The OnePlus 11R 5G is expected to sport a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate. Under the hood, the device is said to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which will likely be paired with up to 16GB RAM and up to 512GB storage. In terms of OS, the device will run the latest Android 13-based Oxygen OS 13 out of the box. As far as cameras are concerned, the OnePlus 11R 5G is tipped to offer a 50MP plus 12MP plus 2MP triple rear camera setup and a 16MP selfie snapper. Lastly, the device will reportedly feature a 5000 mAh battery with 100 watts fast charging support. Key specs: OnePlus 11R. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1, 8GB processor. 6.7 inches, 17.02 cm display. 50MP plus 12MP plus 2MP rear camera. 16MP selfie camera. 5000 mAh battery.